Okay guys, this is just sort of like a bike part review. I just got a whole new bunch of parts, so I'm just going to show them to you guys. And I also got a bunch of parts that I won't want to sell. So if you want some parts, just comment below where it says comment. Okay, so I just got these today. Sunday Triumph bars with ODI long neck grips. KMC red chain. Brand new today. I had a white one. That's the one I want to sell. We the People custom black seat. I bought it from a bike store for like 40 bucks. It was a pretty good seat. Nice and comfortable. Proper team grips in blue. They're $14.99. That's pretty sick. They look exactly like ODI long necks. Animal butcher pegs. Friggin' light. They got a nice plastic sleeve on them. Fit cranks just off my old Fit Flow Street. Like, it came stock with it. macniel post to a macniel fat or pivotal fat capital seat. It was pretty sick. Fly Montana 2010 frame. Back purple Shadow Conspiracy rear hub guard. Front hub guard in black. And we got a Fly soluo sprocket, 27 tooth. I just got today off Pink Bike. It's pretty sick actually. Then we have a blue Federal 23 light tooth sprocket. It says Federal right there, and 23 tooth. Steve Hamilton PC pedals, pretty sick. They're clear. macniel red post uncut, got it like a week ago. It's pretty nice. I like it. It's red. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's about it. Alright. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks. See ya.